Hi friends, my name is Mahantesh Tambake, Assistant Professor of Commerce. As a part of Karnataka Learning Management System, I am presenting the videos on joint stock companies, which is a first chapter under Company Law and Administration. And up till now, I have presented 7 videos. And in previous 7th video, we have discussed incorporation of a company and procedure of incorporating a company. So in continuation with that session, in 8th session, I am going to present you a topic which is under incorporation of a company, filing of documents with register of companies and certificate of incorporation. Right, let us move on to the slides. Filing of documents with register of companies. Section 7 clause 1 of the Companies Act 2013 states that they shall be filed with a register of companies within whose jurisdiction the registered office of a company is proposed to be situated. The following documents and information for registration must be filed with the register of companies. Application for incorporation of a company. So in a prescribed format, we should give all the details with respect to company. We should submit it to the register of companies. And second point, memorandum and articles of association of the company duly signed. So MOA and articles of association, AOA, are the fundamental documents of the company, and those must be duly signed by the first directors, subscribers. They should sign the memorandum and articles, and that copy must be submitted to the register of companies. Then declarations from the professionals. Professionals means they are the professional experts who give advices, legal advice, or chartered accountant, or cost accountant, company secretary. They should declare. What is that declaration means? Company has complied all the laws affecting the company, and company doesn't commit any mistakes in the formation process. And after that, first directors of the company, they also should give the declaration with respect to company's formation activities. Then next document is affidavit from the subscription to the memorandum. Okay, affidavit from the each subscriber to the memorandum and from a persons named as the first directors, if any, in the articles, that he is not convicted of any offense. It means people who have accepted to act as a first directors of the company and they have signed the memorandum and articles of association, they should give the affidavit. That means, in my capacity, I have not committed any mistake with respect to this company or other company which I have worked. So he should give that affidavit, and then affidavit copy must be submitted to the register of companies. Then furnishing the verification of registered office. So registered office means after getting the incorporation, where should company is going to establish its corporate office. That address must be verified and that address must be final, and that copy must be submitted to the register of companies. Then particulars of subscribers, people who have subscribed your share capital, and we must give all the details, name and their address and their state and their PAN card details and everything. We should give it to the register of companies. Each subscriber should give all the details, and that documents must be submitted to the register of companies. Then particulars of first directors along with their consent to act as a directors. So already ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ directors who have accepted the proposal of acting as a first directors of the company, they should give their consent letter, and that consent letter must be submitted to the register of companies while getting the company getting incorporated. Then power of attorney. So power of attorney means giving all the rights to a particular person to act on behalf of a other person. That is the uh, common meaning of the power of attorney. So here in this incorporation process, so one must need to sign the documents which are going to be submitted to the register of companies. So those document must be signed by a particular person who has become, who has got a power of attorney rights from the promoters. and he should attach the documents concerning the companies which is going to get incorporated. That is what power of attorney, right? So these are the documents one must filed with the register of companies. After getting all these documents, what what is the final step to be taken by the register of companies? So that is what certificate of incorporation. So after getting all the documents, a register of companies is going to evaluate each and every document, and each and every document is going to be registered, filed with the uh, register of companies. So what is this certificate of incorporation means? Section 7 Clause 2 of the Companies Act 2013 states that the register, on the basis of the documents and information, there shall registration of all the documents and information referred to in that subsection in the register, and issue certificate of incorporation in the prescribed form. And this certificate of incorporation becomes a conclusive evidence that all the requirements of the act have been complied with in respect of registration and matters precedent and incidental thereto. After getting this certificate, so company this document becomes a conclusive evidence, and from that date company can start its activities. So that is what certificate of incorporation. Next slide. Here is the reference section. As usual, I have referred these two study materials for this preparation of videos and these PPTs. And for more understanding, you can also read these study materials for your more understanding. Thank you.